Welcome to Nasdaq TradeTalks. I'm Jill Malandrino, Global Markets Reporter at Nasdaq. We're coming to you live from the SALT Conference in New York City. Joining me for this segment, we have Gareth Shepherd. He's co-head of Voya Machine Intelligence and also portfolio manager with Voya to discuss how AI is revolutionizing the investment management business. Gareth, it's great to have you with us. Welcome to TradeTalks.
Fantastic to be here.
You got it, and it's so interesting. We were talking off camera that there's more below the surface than just ChatGPT when it comes to AI. How is it revolutionizing investment management?
Yeah, so with every killer app that's out there, what's really important is what's beneath the surface of that. So behind ChatGPT are a whole suite of AI technologies which across the whole investment management universe are changing the game.
Can machines outpick humans when it comes to stock selection or asset allocation?
They can, but a great machine and a great human being is even better than that.
So you think that when you think about the role of human intelligence and discretionary management and how these new technologies get deployed, it can't be a zero-sum game. It requires both human capital and technology capital.
You got it, exactly. That's the model that we believe in, that actually the best of the human and the best of the machine will get the best investment result. It's not going to be a robot-only world.
What can investment managers do to win the arms race when it comes to AI?
Yeah, so they can make the most of these tools, right? So investment management needs to be careful not to be stuck with their old technologies, their old ways. They need to adapt, they need to bring on and use these new tools to their advantage. So AI can help analyze companies more deeply. It can do it without emotion, without bias, and without career risk. So these edges can be used by investment managers to improve their results.
Is it not just about stock selection? Doesn't AI have the ability for predictive scenarios as well?
Yeah, it does actually, and it's not even just the decision making and stock selection, but all aspects of the work of the value chain, portfolio construction, basic research, even client reporting. These tools help reduce the friction and the time it takes to actually get these things done.
This might sound like a remedial question, but when I think of quantitative analysis, to me that's like, okay, we take the emotion out of it, it's more numbers, it's more algorithmic driven. Is AI like the next version of quantitative analysis, or does it enhance it? What's different about it?
Yeah, it's the next big step forward, actually. So the main difference, technically speaking, is quantitative analysis is stuck with a linear view of the world. So you can do a lot with that, but the world and investment management, investing in companies, is a non-linear complex problem. So you need a non-linear complex technology to deal with that. The human brain is great, quant tools are great, but machine learning combines both of those together.
So I'm sitting on your team, right? I'm working on the machine intelligence team, and I'm like, okay, I pick a sector, I want to look at a certain asset allocation, you just put it into the computer and it gives you the best scenarios?
Yes, it's a bit more than that. What we need in terms of the human on the team and the role of the machine is very important that the humans are helping to curate the data and making sure that the system is only accessing information which can help it outperform, not leading it down spurious sidetracks. So there's actually a lot of role for a human in the loop. It's not just sit and ask the machine what to do.
Well, I mean, that's a great point that you make, because once you get the data set, you need to be able to interpret it and then make your decisions from there.
Yeah, absolutely. And it's not just the same look at other industries, right? Look at aircraft, flying an aircraft, having a pilot as well as a flight management system and AI, both of those together, it helps reduce the number of people needed in the cockpit, but you end up with a much better result.
That's a great analogy. All right, Gareth, we appreciate the insight. Thanks for joining us on TradeTalks. And thanks for joining me. I'm Jill Malandrino, Global Markets Reporter at Nasdaq.